High-quality audio cables ensure clear sound, reduce signal loss, minimize interference, and deliver an immersive, reliable listening experience for home theater systems. My today's video is about top 5 best audio cables for home theater systems that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Hiwings 8K 10K 4K HDMI cable. The Hiwings 8K Ultra High Speed HDMI cable is an impressive upgrade for anyone seeking maximum performance from modern entertainment systems. Built with cutting-edge technology, it supports stunning 8K 60Hz and ultra-smooth 4K 120Hz output, delivering exceptional clarity where every detail appears sharp and lifelike. Whether you're watching high-resolution movies or playing fast-paced games, the cable ensures stable signal transmission and accurate processing for a truly immersive experience. One of its strongest advantages is the powerful 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, which greatly reduces lag, dropped frames, and signal interruptions. This makes it especially valuable for gamers who rely on variable refresh rate support for smoother gameplay and responsive visuals. Durability is another highlight. The reinforced anti-bending tail design and military-grade nylon braided exterior provide excellent resistance against wear in daily use, ensuring long-term reliability. Backward compatibility with multiple HDMI versions also makes it versatile across older and newer devices. Overall, this cable combines advanced performance, durability, and reliability, making it a strong choice for high-end home theater or gaming setups. Now our second product is Amazon Basics HDMI cable. The Amazon Basics HDMI cable, a male-to-a-male 6 feet, is a reliable and practical option for connecting modern entertainment devices. Designed for everyday performance, this HDMI cable easily links Blu-ray players, streaming devices, gaming consoles, and computers to TVs, monitors, or A/V receivers. Its universal compatibility makes it a convenient choice for home theater setups and gaming stations. Performance is solid thanks to support for 4K video at 60 Hz with 2160p resolution and 48-bit color depth, delivering sharp visuals and vibrant colors for movies, shows, and games. With bandwidth up to 18 gigabits per second, it also supports features like 3D video, audio return channel, ARC, and Ethernet sharing, allowing multiple devices to access an internet connection without an extra cable. Another advantage is its backward compatibility with older HDMI versions, ensuring it works with a wide range of devices. The 6-foot length provides flexibility for typical setups while keeping connections neat and organized. Overall, it's a dependable HDMI cable that balances performance, compatibility, and convenience for everyday home entertainment. Our third product is Hiwings HDMI cable 6.6 feet. The HDMI 2.0 4K UHD high-speed HDMI cable is a dependable choice for anyone building a high-quality home entertainment setup. Designed with gold-plated connectors, it ensures stable and interference-free signal transmission, delivering crisp 4K UHD resolution at 60 Hz, 3840 by 2160. This results in sharp visuals and clear stereo audio, making movie nights, gaming sessions, and big screen streaming far more immersive. With support for up to 18 gigabits per second bandwidth under the HDMI 2.0 standard, the cable enables fast and reliable data transfer for video, audio, and images. This high-speed capability allows smooth 4K streaming and responsive gaming without buffering or signal interruptions. The plug-and-play design also makes setup quick and effortless, requiring no drivers or complicated installation. Durability is another standout feature. The reinforced SR joint design helps prevent cracking, while the cable has been tested to withstand over 15,000 bends, ensuring long-lasting performance even with frequent use. Combined with strict component testing and strong build quality, this HDMI cable provides reliable, high-performance connectivity for home theater systems and everyday entertainment devices. Now number 4, SyncWire 3.5mm nylon braided AUX cable. The SyncWire 3.5mm nylon braided AUX cable 3.3 feet is a reliable audio cable designed for clear sound and everyday durability. With universal compatibility, it easily connects devices equipped with a 3.5mm AUX port, including smartphones, tablets, laptops, car stereos, speakers, headphones, and MP3 players. This makes it a versatile choice for home audio systems, car entertainment, and portable listening setups. One of its standout features is the polished 24K gold-plated connectors, which help reduce signal loss and minimize noise. The result is clean, balanced stereo sound that enhances music, podcasts, and video audio. Whether you're connecting your phone to a car stereo or linking speakers to a laptop, the audio quality remains consistent and stable. Durability is another strong point. The nylon-braided exterior and reinforced design provide an impressive 15,000 plus bend lifespan, preventing common issues like fraying or tangling. It also includes double shielding to protect against interference, ensuring reliable performance. Compact and easy to store, this AUX cable offers long-lasting quality and convenient everyday connectivity for any audio setup. And our last choice is Ublooker 10K 8K 4K HDMI cable. The certified ultra-high-speed HDMI cable delivers premium performance for modern home theater and gaming setups. With official HDMI certification, the cable meets strict HDMI forum standards, ensuring reliable signal transmission and top-tier build quality. Its impressive 48 gigabits per second bandwidth enables ultra-fast data transfer, supporting advanced features such as variable refresh rate, VRR, auto low latency mode, ALLM, quick frame transport, QFT, and dynamic HDR for smoother visuals and improved responsiveness. One of the biggest highlights is its ability to handle extremely high resolutions and refresh rates, including 8K 60Hz and even up to 10K 60Hz support. This ensures incredibly sharp visuals, deeper colors, and fluid motion, making it ideal for high-end gaming systems and next-generation displays. Audio performance is equally impressive. The cable supports advanced formats like Dolby Atmos, Dolby True HD, DTS:X, and eARC, delivering immersive surround sound for movies and games. With wide compatibility across gaming PCs, modern GPUs, consoles, soundbars, TVs, and streaming devices, this HDMI cable provides a future-ready solution for high-performance entertainment systems. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.